Welcome to Easy Job Quote. Are you a homeowner with a renovation or maintenance project and you don't know where to begin looking for a trusted contractor? Not sure what questions to ask, where to begin? We are here to help. At Easy Job Quote, we provide a constructive solution for those who feel stress about beginning their renovation. Renovations deal with the very foundation of our daily lives, our homes, usually our greatest asset, our oasis. Easy Job Quote is a service to provide homeowners peace of mind in their choice of contractor and reward skilled tradespeople. Easy Job Quote reviews all member contractors. We collect their information, speak with their past clients, and create a profile. Our service is as easy as 1, 2, 3, providing a more streamlined process for homeowners and contractors. Many hours can be spared with the savings shared by both. First step, contact us. We will visit your home, prepare your job description, and post it for our members. Second step, review the bids and profiles and select your contractor. As all our member contractors will be bidding on the one tender, apples to apples, this will make your decision easier. This same clear definition of your project will be reflected in the full contract you receive upon contractor selection. Third step, come back, review your contractor. This review option empowers homeowners and contractors will benefit from your reviews. We welcome you to Easy Job Quote, so much more than a handshake.